I am not doing this properly. Oh! I didn't even notice. Oh my. Oh! So we can use some of this on the ends and then also, you know, brush it with. If you're watching this video because you're considering going red, you're clearly going through something, and I just want to say me too. If you feel like you need to just rebrand, reinvent yourself, today I've decided to dye my hair red. I went to the store and I picked up some box hair dye. This is the Intense Red by Garnier. This is supposedly super bold, so we're gonna see how this turns out. I just thought it would be such a good idea to go this sexy dark burgundy red is what I'm wishing for. I also picked up some color shampoo because I dyed my hair about 2 weeks ago, but the colors kind of faded, and that's because I wasn't wearing color protected conditioner, shampoo, whatever. So we went to the store and I got some Color Freeze treatment. This is the Monaco. This is so moisturizing. Like, this actually feels like it's helping my hair actually. It doesn't feel like it's fixing my hair temporarily, and it really feels like it's a deep treatment. I recommend this. And the Olaplex number 3, just to make sure my hair gets the treatment that it needs. I dyed my hair red about 2 weeks ago, but it's not as intense as I thought it would be. It's kind of like a burgundy brown color. In the sun it's way more red, but I decided to go to the store and buy 2 more packages of Garnier, the Intense Red. This claims to be very intense and bold, so we're gonna see how this goes. My roots are kind of like a dark maroon right now, so I'm happy with it. We're not gonna really touch it, just a bit of the ends. When you decide to change your look in a drastic way, I think this could manifest in how we change so much internally, and we kind of want to manifest that change that we made internally in the physical world by dyeing our hair, by changing our style, by, you know, changing the way we live our life, because I think change is so important and we should be constantly adapting and finding new ways to change. We just have to accept ourselves in every version we come. I'm on my journey right now to accept myself in any version that I come, and to celebrate myself and to try something new, you know. I was kind of afraid that the red wouldn't show up nicely on my dark hair. I'm going to avoid the scalp and avoid the roots because I'm happy with my roots right now. I don't want hot roots, definitely not. I just want to focus the red on the ends and just give myself a little more color. It's fall season right now, it's almost Christmas, so I just thought it would be such a good idea to go this sexy dark burgundy red is what I'm wishing for. So yeah, we're gonna try to do that. It's the 5th of November right now, it's a Saturday, it's 4:20, almost in 7 minutes, it's 4:20. I wish it was outside, smoking a J. Smoking a J. So I recommend these products so much. I also have a bowl and my little brush. I really can't detangle my hair because of my curls, and I'm not going to, so we're just gonna like put it over the curls and not detangle my hair. I don't know if that's smart or maybe it'll show up uneven, the dye. Hopefully the dye doesn't end up uneven because I do not want to detangle my hair. Detangling curly hair dry, oh my word, it's painful. It's pain. So we're going to, I really like the color that it's at right now actually. It's like super hot. Maybe we will use one box and just see if we need more, or just keep the other box when we do touch up. It comes with the developer, a little squeeze bottle, as well as gloves, the instructions, and the color cream. I'm going to put it in this bottle and half in the bowl so we can use some of this on the ends, and then also, you know, brush it with I was reading an article that was talking about how majority of people post breakup dye their hair or change their hair, and I think that's because your hair holds memories and it holds energy. To cut that off as like a physical manifestation of change, and I think it's so beautiful. So I've been constantly trying to work on myself and accept myself in every version that I come. So I want to try new things, and I want to just add more color into my life going into I'm just making a mess right now, but anyway. I don't know. I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner in the mix as well, just to add some more. Hopefully it's not uneven. Oh! I think the best method is this. Just to do that by the roots. I think this is the best method for the roots, to make sure it doesn't get a lot of red. Just use your fingers and just touch it slightly. And I'm also going to use a whip wipe by my roots just to remove that dye. Oh, I didn't even notice. Oh my gosh. They say when you dye your hair red, you're clearly going through something. There's so much people have to say when you dye your hair. People think that you have psychological problems when you have colored hair, or you're an attention seeker. And I just want to confirm that that's true, in my case at least. Such an attention whore. I'm going to take some of the dye in the bowl and do on my roots and apply some on my roots. I am not doing this properly. Oh my. Like, you know, some people have like hair right here. I don't know if this would suit me.
Thinking